This video is for you if you are a beginner and want to earn $1,000 a day from affiliate marketing. I want you to focus on doing one thing that I'm about to share with you and never make two mistakes that I will share in this video. These two mistakes will destroy all your opportunities to earn money online. So let us begin. On the screen, you can see a live Warrior Plus page of one of my Warrior Plus accounts. Let me take a screenshot for easier demonstration. What you can see here is $50,380 in passive affiliate commissions. We focused on only one thing that made us this money. And in this video, I will share step by step how to do it. But before that, I want to show you one of the two mistakes. Mistake number one got Parag Agarwal sacked from his Twitter CEO position. I'm sure you already know about it, that Elon Musk has bought Twitter. And the first thing he did was that he sacked 3 top positions. And one of them is the CEO position. And like a lot other people, I wanted to know why Parag Agarwal was fired. And I got these articles. And yes, one of them is this one. And look at the content. There are 5 paragraphs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Literally, they contain everything I want to know. And one of the 2 information is that Agarwal made $30.4 million in 2021 alone as a CEO. And the second information is he is expected to get $42 million after his exit. Sounds like a lot of money, but maybe he could make $60 million next year. Do you see the loss? The numbers are big, but the loss is also big. Now here comes one of the 2 mistakes I was telling you to avoid. And that mistake is the reason that got Agarwal fired. And that is misleading information. Agarwal provided misleading information to Elon Musk about Twitter's fake accounts and all. Now that's about Parag Agarwal and Elon Musk and Twitter. Why am I telling you this? Because we are doing well with affiliate marketing using TikTok, and the videos we use look like this. They have nothing but simple image, simple clips in the background, and little bit of text about a topic. And look at the numbers of the views: 33,000, 24,000, 42,000, 52,000, 32,000. These videos don't need fancy softwares, editing, or video creation skills. For our other 20 plus channels that help us make money online, we use our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic helps us make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes text and scripts using artificial intelligence. Epic makes bite-sized videos and combine those videos into one long video in just one click. And Epic provides us with 2.7 million built-in royalty-free media files. It takes 2 to 3 minutes to make videos like this using Epic, and look at the results. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it and start your free account right now. Now you might be asking, what's the relationship between views and affiliate commission? I'll come to that in a moment, but before that, let me tell you why I talked about Parag Agarwal and misleading information, and why I suddenly went to TikTok. It's because I know a lot of people are making money using TikTok. So I came to YouTube to know about who else is making money with TikTok, how they're doing it, and what they're teaching on YouTube. And I found this video. This is from the channel Wisdom Speaks. I'll be honest, I like this channel a lot. I learned a lot from this channel, but when I saw this video, I felt really bad. In this video, they are showing the main income source is from a CPA site called CPA Grip. Now, I have no complaint about CPA methods because it's known as one of the easiest ways to make money online. Because with CPA, you don't need to sell anything. You earn money for asking people to sign up on a sign up page. Is this really easy? I will tell you from my experience, but before that, let me tell you why I am upset. Before I go and teach you about CPA Grip, I wanted to have a look how legit and how reputed the company is. So I came to Google and searched with CPA Grip legit, and this is what I found. Well, I don't always believe the reviews on Google because sometimes Google will show you the negative reviews, and chances are in a lot of cases, maybe most of the reviews are positive, but for some reason, Google will show you the negative one first. So don't get biased. Dig a little deeper and try to understand why people are calling a company or a website scam. And this is a Trustpilot review. So I came to this post and I found total 53 reviews. 28% are 5 stars, which is good. 9%, 4-star, 4%, 3-star. Okay, but there are 57% 1-star ratings. So out of 53, 20 plus ratings are bad. And they are saying that this company shuts down account for no reason, doesn't pay commissions, question about affiliate website, and a lot other complaints. Yes, a lot of users don't follow the policy of these CPA sites, and that's why the accounts get shut down. But still, this CPA Grip website has a bad reputation overall, and the good man Wisdom Speaks is promoting this website in his content. Now here is where this whole thing has become misleading. If you look at the description of his video, you will nowhere find the promotion of CPA Grip. In the description, he is promoting his other offers, but he is not promoting CPA Grip. Why not? Because to be honest, he does not believe in this website. Then why has he made this video about CPA Grip? And this is the second mistake you should never make. He is doing it because hundreds of other YouTubers are promoting CPA Grip in their content as the easiest CPA site. If you want proof, let me show you. CPA Grip has 1.7 million monthly visitors. You go to the marketing channels and you'll find 12% of their traffic come from social media, and 70% social media traffic come from YouTube because YouTubers are promoting it, and he is promoting because everybody else is promoting. So the two things you should never do is provide misleading information and don't follow others blindly. Now you understand why a lot of people fail to earn money online, because they follow the wrong people, and all the wrong people follow each other. I am not saying everybody is bad. I'm just asking you to use your due diligence. And to prove my point, let's go back to this website where I read about 5 points about Parag Agarwal and why he was sacked as Twitter CEO. This thing happened just 2 days ago. And if you look at the content, it's a tiny content with probably 200 to 300 words. And most of these content are borrowed content. They are all available in other websites, YouTube videos, Twitter, social media, but they publish the content fast as possible. These information are not misleading. They are true information. And as a result, this website has 175 million monthly visitors, which is 100 times more than CPA Grip. And they earn 10 times more than CPA Grip. And this is done all by publishing quality, true, and trending content. And all their traffic are coming from different sources. 60% of their traffic are their own traffic, and 33% traffic is from search engine, because search engines like to promote legit companies. And of course, they have social media traffic from multiple different social media channels. Now you might be asking, where is affiliate marketing in this video? Let me show you where the affiliate marketing is. You see these little advertisements on this website? These are affiliate advertisements. Click on them and they will take you to Amazon. Not only that, they're promoting other people's contents, paid contents and advertisements, but publishing trending content regularly, the content that people are looking for. Be straightforward and never use misleading content, and don't say things just because other people are saying. This is making them all that money that they're making. And of course, we are following these type of legit companies. We publish simple content for TikTok, YouTube, and other social media channels. We focus on providing quality, correct, and helpful information for our viewers. They click on our affiliate links, they buy from us, and we make money. And you can do it too, starting today. And you can start using Epic. Link is in the description, go grab it. But in case you are interested in publishing written content and running a website, I highly recommend you do it. But if you are lazy like me and you don't have time or the energy to create a website and publish content on regular basis, then use Maven. Maven creates content just by copying the URL of a website like this and pasting it in a placeholder. And in just a couple of clicks, using 2 to 3 minutes of your time, you can turn any content into your own content completely legally. And let me show you how Maven works. And Maven is also free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it and start today. PS4 controller is a super hot topic, so we thought, why not we make a blog post for ourselves using Maven. And let me show you how we made this awesome blog post in under 3 minutes. Let's make a PS4 controller blog post under 3 minutes. We are on my software Maven First, click the Add Blog button. Copy the web address of the article we want to hijack. Paste it right here on Maven and click the Create button. Add a blog title and then let's add a blog image. We're going to upload a new image from our hard drive. Select this image and click Open, and the image is added. Now let's do some text editing. Select this text and make it bold. Then select this text and put it on center. To add an affiliate link, select this text, click this link button, and let's say this is our affiliate link. For an example, paste it right here. We want this to open in a new window. Done. Let's add some headlines. Select this text, turn it into headline type 3. And we can do as much text editing as we want. Once we are happy, just click the Save button and our settings is saved. Now the full text is here, but this text is not ours. To make it ours, we need to rewrite it using artificial intelligence. And for that, we're gonna click this spinner button. This spinner will rewrite the content in the background. The job is done, so click Save, and the content is saved. We can always add more elements by clicking this plus button. Let's add a video. For that, we just need to copy the URL of the video and paste it right here and click Add. And the video is added to the blog post instantly. We can add image from all different sources. Let's add one image from Pixabay. Search with the keyword in this box. Click the search button and all different options showed up. Just select one and immediately that image is added to the blog post. So easy. Just like that, we can add as many images, as many videos as we want. And once we are happy, click the Save button and the blog post is saved. Now this section is totally optional. You can fill these informations in for search engine optimization purposes. When you are happy, click the Publish Now button or a Publish Later button to publish later. And you can click this View button anytime you want. It will take you to your brand new blog post and look at the awesome blog post that you have just created. So awesome. I hope this video was helpful, step by step, easy, user friendly. All our applications are free to start. Links are in the description. Especially Epic is life changing. We run 20+ channels using Epic without using camera and microphone. 2.7 million media files to use for your videos. Epic writes scripts for us using artificial intelligence and turns scripts into natural sounding voiceover. Epic gets you traffic, do the marketing for you, and makes you money. Hit the like button if you like this video. Share with your friends and family so they also learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And if you want to learn how this lady earns $2 million per month for her company using an underrated platform, then watch this video. If you want to learn about 800,000 customers waiting to buy from your link, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn about 3 AI softwares that can help you earn $70,000, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn how this website earns $53,000 from a $100 million company, then watch this video here. And we'll see you in the next video.